Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. My house is extremely messy. It got so messy over the weekend. So that is what we are going to be working on today, is getting this house cleaned up. This video is just going to be cleaning and music, no voiceover. This is for those of you who just like the cleaning and the music. And make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video to see how clean the house looks afterwards. So first off, here's the laundry room. Not too bad in here, just clothes to fold. Now the kitchen is where it's really bad. This is so bad. I do not like my kitchen to get this messy. I am ready to get this cleaned up. It's bugging me so bad. And here's the situation over here. Owen made a giant mess on the floor. We've got some stuff on the countertop here. And then there's of course toys on the floor over here. It isn't too bad. And this desk is pretty messy. Over here it's pretty bad. Owen spilled all of the Legos out onto the floor, some shoes and jackets on the floor. Over here it's mainly just books and there's a few toys on the couch. The boys' bathroom is pretty messy. And then the last room that needs clean, of course, is the boys' playroom. I mean, this is so embarrassing. Does your kids' rooms and playrooms get this messy? But you know what? This is real life and hopefully this helps somebody. And today I am wearing my Simply Earth Oils t-shirt. This t-shirt's kind of big, but it's super comfy, and I am an affiliate with Simply Earth, so with my link down below you can get a ton of free stuff with your first order. I'll have everything typed up down below that you can get free, so definitely go and check that out if you love essential oils or if you are looking to try them out. So now we are going to get straight into this cleaning video because I have lots of cleaning ahead of me today. Okay, so I'm all done with my cleaning, and now I'm gonna show you just how clean the house looks. We'll start off here in the laundry room. Get nice and clean in there. And now here is the kitchen. If you remember what it looked like before, this is a pretty dramatic afterwards. And now that my kitchen is all spotless clean, I feel like making cookies or something. The stove got really shiny clean after we used that stove cleaner on it. And here's a peek at over here as well. Everything's nice and spotless. And now moving on and over to the living room, it's looking a lot cleaner in here. And look at the vacuum lines that robotic vacuum makes. Over here's looking much better. We used to have tons of Legos there on the floor. And if your house looked as messy as mine did before, I hope that this video gave you motivation to get your house cleaned up. And this bathroom is looking a lot cleaner. And it's a pretty dramatic change in here if you remember how messy it was in here. I wish that this room could stay this spotless all the time, but between him and Kyle, that's just not possible. You getting ready to make another mess, huh? It's okay. Okay, Owen, tell everybody bye. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's cleaning video. That was so much work getting this house cleaned up, but it was worth it. It feels so nice and clean in here now. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Bye.